Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn about the Sultans of Delhi. Can you tell me who was the first Sultan of Delhi? Yes, he is Qutbuddin Aibak. Yes, he is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was born in Turkey. During his childhood, he was sold as a slave. Okay. He was then taken by his master to Persia. Who is a slave? A slave is a person who is owned by another person. The master tells the slave where he lives, what work to do, etc. Slavery was very common during early history. It was seen all around the world. After the death of his master, he was sold again. Finally, he became a slave to Muhammad Ghori. Who was Muhammad Ghori? Qutbuddin was soon appointed as a general in Ghori's army in Delhi. He was a strong and able general. After Muhammad Ghori returned to Turkey, Qutbuddin captured areas between the Ganga and Yamuna. He fought the Rajputs. His army captured parts of Gujarat and Bihar. He then married the daughters of important leaders and slowly became the ruler of the entire kingdom. Qutbuddin was once a slave, but he rose to the position of Sultan. This is why his kingdom is often known as the slave dynasty. The building of Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak during his time in Delhi. After his death, it was completed by his son Iltutmish, the new Sultan of Delhi. Razia Sultan. Okay, she was the only woman Sultan. Razia Sultan, the daughter of Iltutmish, became the Sultan of Delhi after him. She was the first and last woman to ever become a Sultan. Even though Iltutmish had chosen her, not everyone was happy with his decision. After some struggles, Razia got the chance to prove her abilities as a leader. Razia Sultan was described as just, loyal to her subjects, and blessed with all talents needed for a leader. In Indian history, there have always been more male leaders compared to female leaders. Now, let's look at some examples of powerful women in Indian politics today. You can see the picture of a woman. She was the first woman president in India. She is known as the Pratibha Patil. Sonia Gandhi has been a leader of Congress party for longer than any other male leader. Shaila Dikshit was the chief minister of Delhi for 15 years. Mamata Banerjee is the first woman chief minister of Bengal and is still in power. She was also the first woman railways minister in India. So, thank you, children.